This is a national emergency alert issued by United States Department of Homeland Security. Date: July 17, 1998. Time: 4 a.m. EST. This is not a test. An unknown anomaly has been detected in residential water systems within Somalia. Residents are advised to avoid all contact with tap water until further notice. Do not ingest tap water. Do not use it for cooking, cleaning, or hygiene. Boiling the water will not remove the anomaly. Exposure to contaminated water may result in the following symptoms: prolonged facial tension or involuntary smiling, visual disturbances near plumbing fixtures, perception of movement inside walls or drains, disruption of natural sleep cycles due to auditory interference. In the unfortunate event of contact with contaminated water, remain calm and follow these steps. Isolate yourself in a dry, sealed room. Avoid all reflective surfaces. Do not attempt to remove the sensation manually. Do not share symptoms with others verbally. Individuals who exhibit multiple symptoms should be isolated and prevented from approaching sinks, showers, or open water sources. Avoid speaking into drains. Do not respond to voices coming from faucets. Remain indoors. Further instructions will follow. Thank you for your time.